how to make the first week of the year in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. After click on Calendar app, click on this three line icon and click on this settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down, click on show week numbers. After click on show week numbers, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will select how to set make first week of the year. So you will see the week with the first Thursday of the year and the week with the first day of the year. So click on the week with the first day of the year. After click on this option, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make the first week of the year in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.